Hey guys, so for today's vlog, magbubukas tayo ng something. Very happy ako ngayon sa pinadala ng Kids Company. And yes, pinadala nila tayo ng box na malaki. I don't know what it is, pero buksan natin, sabahan niyo ako. I honestly don't know. Alam ko it's a brand na I like, pero hindi ako sure kung ano dun sa dami ng products nila ang sinend nila. Pero what I do know is that it's available sa Kids Company website and sa kanilang Shopee and online platforms. So yan ang alam ko. That's clue number 1. Clue number 2 is addict na addict din ako recently dito. Very addict. Pero kasi the fun thing about this is mura siya. So if it is what it is, I think it is, then I'm gonna be a happy kid. And if not, then still, I hope it is. So okay. Yes, it is. Mga kaibigan, it is what it is. We were right. We were right on the money, mga kaibigan. And thank you. Thank you sa Kids Company. I love kung ano pinadala nila. Kung alam nyo kung ano pinadala nila, tadam. Yes, guys. They sent me an entire box. An entire box of Jurassic World ni Blockies, the Terra Ventures. Ito yung season 1 yata, or 1 ba to o 2? I think it's 1. Yeah, thank you Kids Company. Panalo. Woo! Okay, panalo to. So, this is the entire set ng Blockies na Jurassic World Terra Venture. So, I think this is ito yata 2. Si T-Rex to eh. Kasi yung first yata is yung Mosasaur, if I'm not mistaken. So, eto, may sarili tayong unboxing para dito, guys. Also, they sent over some Blockies Transformers vehicles. Nice! Guys, nice. So nice. Ito yung first wave niyan eh. So, ito yan, C1. So, ito yung mga vehicle forms ng Transformers. Ito yan. And meron pa dito 4. So blind boxes to guys ha. So we don't know kung ano to. Pero yeah, blind box. And hindi naman to bago sa akin. I am collecting the vehicles. Yung iba kasi pag nakakuha, parang ayaw nila nun sa Transformers. I love it. Kahit anong ano yan. So ayan na. Just on the side. And dito lang siya. So ito yung Batmobile. Meron na rin ako nung ito, si Mixmaster. Yan. Syempre, happy ako. Nakuha ko to noon. Yan. Si Optimus. May Optimus Prime ako, boys and girls. And meron din ako Starscream na vehicle version. So, yan. So, okay lang. I mean, kung ako nakakuha ng mga vehicle forms ng mga sa Blockies, Galaxy Defenders, I'm okay with that. I'm happy with that actually. So, yun nga. Hindi ko pa nga nakukompleto yung sa Batman na wave kasi meron lang ako nito. Si Tumbler to eh. At saka si 1960s na Batmobile ni Adam West. So ito pala yung dalawang ano ko. So looking for the Tumbler. Hindi. Ito meron na pala ako. So yeah, isa na lang yata yung kulang ko. Yung kay Keaton na ano. So ito pala Justice League. Yan. Kasi I really need to get a display. Kung may pera kayo, may budget kayo, kumuha kayo ng display case para sa mga vehicles. It looks nice. Believe me, it looks nice. So, ayun nga guys. Thanks for watching for this mini video, for mini unboxing. I'm gonna do a different unboxing for each one of these. Pero thank you, Kids Company. These are available on their website at Kids Company. So, check out their online platforms on the website, kidscompany.com. And I'm gonna flash the more details here. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so neatly arrange ko lang yung mga laman. So ito. So si Terra Venture and yung mga vehicle C1s, C01s ng Transformers. Again, this is available on the website which is kidscompany.com.ph. And ito is around 199 yata. And this is both of these each is less than 200. So sulit siya i-collect, mura siya, and madali siyang i-display. I'm actually waiting for the bigger versions ng mga dinosaurs. I don't think na meron pa sila. Pero at this scale, okay na ako. Masaya na ako sa dinosaurs ng Jurassic World. And then this one, syempre, as I mentioned nga kanina, it's easy to collect, it's easy to display. Masaya silang tingnan pag naka-display din. And ayan nga yung mga ano. So, meron tayong Optimus Prime, tatlong version yata. O yan, hologram edition, titanium edition, tsaka yung regular. Meron ding titanium edition si Hot Rod, Rodimus Prime pala. And si Hound, si Scamper, si Dragstrip, si Prowl, si Swerve, si Gears. Ayun, may Megatron dito na 1:12 lang. So, 1 Megatron in 12 boxes. So, ayun nga. So, ayun nga again, kidscompany.com.ph. Visit them sa website nila. And then, syempre, check out their TikTok shop. Doon nyo rin pwedeng bilhin. And i-like nyo rin yung kanilang Facebook, which is also the Kids Company.